The family of the business partner of Manuel Bonoan's daughter cornered over 2.5 billion pesos worth of contracts during the time he was Public Works Secretary. Records obtained by Rappler show infrastructure contractor Global Crete is owned by the Maglanque family of Candaba, Pampanga. The family also owns MBB Global Properties through family member Macy Monique Maglanque, where Bonoan's daughter Fatima Gay Bonoan de la Cruz is also an incorporator, along with the daughter of another former DPWH employee, Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo. In 2023, roughly 6 months after Bonoan assumed DPWH leadership, 5 projects totaling 317 million pesos were awarded to Global Crete. 4 of these were flood control projects, 3 in Bulacan and 1 in Valenzuela City. In 2024, it secured its largest number of contracts, totaling over 2.1 billion pesos for 21 projects. 13 were flood control projects located in Central Luzon, particularly in Bulacan and Zambales. In 2025, it was awarded a 22 billion peso road project in Bicol. Meantime, the DPWH dismisses 3 of its Bulacan officials: Assistant Director Engineer Bryce Erickson D. Hernandez, Construction Division Chief JP D. Mendoza, and Chief Accountant Juanito C. Mendoza. They were found guilty of these administrative offenses. The 3, along with former DPWH Bulacan District Engineer Henry Alcantara, were linked to ghost flood control projects in Baliwag and Plaridel.